ना? Yeah. So let's see here. Now we will discuss about tan inverse and cot inverse. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we know that the domain of the tan function, है ना, that is tangent function. Okay, is the set. It is the mainly set. Just wait a minute. There it is.
Sir, can you check the person?
What?
The person.
No, no, no. I'm not checking it. It's just lacking. So just wait a minute. Not lacking. It's leave it. Okay. See ya. Okay. So let's see here. So we know about the domain of the tan function, है ना? That is tangent function, right? So the domain of the tan function, okay? Here we are discussing about tan function, okay? Or you can say tangent function, है ना?
Yeah.
Tangent function. That is also known as tan function, right? Tan function, okay? So its domain, as we know that the domain of the tan function is, it is the set of x such that the element x will belongs to R, right? And x is not equal to 2n plus 1 multiply pi by 2, okay, where n belongs to z. Is it clear? है ना?
Yeah.
And the range is R, and the range will be R, okay? Range is R, the capital R, okay? So it's mean that the tan function is not defined for odd multiple of pi by 2, okay? It is not defined for the odd multiple of pi by 2, as you can see here, right? Because here x is not equal to this value, na? Okay, so it is not the odd multiple of 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 means odd, है ना? The odd number. It will gives odd number, right? And here as it is multiplying with the x by 2, so pi by 2, right? And it is not equal to x, or we can say that ki x is not equal to this value. So we can say that na ki the range of the tan function is not defined for the odd multiples of pi by 2. Okay. So if we restrict the domain of the tangent function for the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, okay, then it is 1 1 and on 2 with the range as R, with the range will be R. So this will be domain and this will be range, okay? So actually 10 function restricted to any of the interval. What will be the interval? Interval will be 3 pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 2 to minus pi by 2, okay, then minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, okay, and pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, okay. Is it clear? Etc. Is bijective and its range will be R. Its range will be R. So this is the domain and this is the range, okay. Is it clear now? Thus tan inverse, so we can say that na ki tan inverse can be defined as the function whose domain will be, now here we are interchanging a and b, na, right? We have already learned it ki in the inverse function we just interchange the coordinates, right? So when it will be AB, then it will become BA, right? So here the domain will become range and the range will become domain, right? So thus we can say that ki tan inverse can be defined as the function whose domain will be R. Now domain will be R, right? है ना? In tan function, okay? Tan inverse function, sorry. So wait. Okay. So let's see here. So here now the domain and range will be interchanged, right? So thus we can say that for tan inverse, है ना? For tan inverse function, okay? Wait. Yes. So for tan inverse function can be defined as the function whose domain will be R, right? And the range could be any interval. The range could be any interval among the intervals are minus 3 pi by 2 to minus pi by 2, okay? Then minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, then pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, okay? 3 pi by 2 and so on. So these intervals gives a different branch of the function of tan inverse, okay? And the branch with the range minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, this one is called as the principal value branch, okay? Principal value branch, okay na, of the tan inverse function.
Yeah.
Thus we can say that it will be tan inverse such that R2 minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, okay? This R is the domain and this is the range, okay? Is it clear now?
Okay.
So now we will see the graph for y equal to 10x, okay? And y equal to tan inverse x. Now we have to see the graph for this two, okay? Is it clear or any doubt? Just tell me till here.
Clear, sir.
Clear now? Okay. See here. So as you can see, the first one, this one is the graph for y is equal to 10x, okay? And as you can see here, it is from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, okay? Is it clear now? Huh.
Yeah.
And yeah. Um, and this is the graph for y equal to tan inverse x, okay? Y is equal to tan inverse x whose domain in R and the range is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Is it clear or any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No na? Okay. So now let's see here. We know that the domain of the cot function, okay? Or we can say that cotangent function, right? Cotangent function is the set, it is the set of x, the element x such that x belongs to R, है ना? And x is not equal to n pi, right? Where n is belongs to z, okay? So and the range is R. The range is R. This is the domain, okay? And this is the range R, okay? For the cot function, right? Is not defined for the integral multiple of pi. Integral multiple of pi. As you can see here, x is not equal to n pi, na? So we can say that it is not defined for integral multiple of pi, okay? It is restrict the domain of cotangent function to 0 to pi. It will be restrict for this interval, okay? Then it is bijective with its range R, okay na? And in fact cotangent function restricted to any interval. What will be the interval? Minus pi to 0, 0 to pi, and pi to pi, okay, etc. So it will be bisective on any of these intervals and its range will be R. Thus we can say that cot inverse can be defined as the function whose, now here domain and range will be changed, right? So whose domain will be R and the range will be any of the interval What will be the intervals? It will be minus pi to 0, 0 to pi, and pi to 2 pi. Is it clear now? So this interval gives different branches of function of cot inverse. Is it clear? Now the function with the range, 0 to pi, okay, this will be called as the principal value principal value branch of cot inverse function. Okay, so we can say that ki cot inverse will be r to 0 to pi. So now we will see the graphs for y equal to cot x, है ना? Y is equal to cot x and y is equal to cot inverse x. Okay, for this we will see the graph. Okay, is it clear?
Okay.
See here. So this first one is the graph for y equal to cot x. Okay, and here this is the graph for cot y is equal to cot inverse x. Okay, so this
Okay.
graph you have already learnt in 11th class, and when we will change the domain and range, है ना, it's mean when we will, it will be the in changing of or coordinates from a to b to b to a. Okay, then we will get the graph for y is equal to cot inverse x. Is it clear or any doubt?
Clear, sir.
है ना? So now here we have learned the graphs for all trigonometric function and their inverse trigonometric function also. Okay, now we will
Okay.
discuss, now I will create a table. Okay, create a table in which that gives the inverse trigonometric function with principal valued branch, okay, along with their domains and range. Okay, is it clear now?
Okay. Yeah,
So just
clear.
wait a minute. You can give the heading that if you want to write it, you please write the domain and range. The domain and range in bracket principal value function. Principal value function of inverse trigonometric function of inverse trigonometric function are given in the following table. Are given in the following table. Okay, following table. See here. First try to understand it. Okay,
Okay.
just note down the heading. Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
and
noted.
leave it. Hmm. And then leave it. Okay, so
Okay.
here I will write the trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. Okay,
Mm.
it will be domain and range. Okay, domain, and this side it will be range.
Okay.
Hmm. See, the first one is sine inverse, है ना?
Hmm.
Sine inverse function. So the domain will be -1 to 1, right? है ना?
Yeah.
And the range will be, its range will be minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, right? Pi by 2 means
Yeah.
90 degree, है ना? Pi by 2 means 90 degree. So minus 90 to 90. Is it clear? Similarly, cos inverse. Cos inverse. So for cos inverse, it's again -1 to 1, right? And the range will be 0 to pi. The range will be 0 to pi. Is it clear now? Okay?
Yeah. Clear.
Because
Yeah.
whenever you will see the value of the cos, it will vary from 0 to -1, right? 1 to -1, है ना? We can say
Hmm.
that -1 to 1 when it will come on in inverse function, है ना? At that time domain and range will be interchanged, na? So that's why, okay? And here it will be 0 to pi, okay?
Okay.
Is it clear now?
Yeah. Clear, sir.
Now cosec for cosec inverse. So for cosec inverse, it will be the set of real numbers except -1 and 1, okay?
Hmm.
Except -1 and 1. So the domain will be minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 except 0. Okay?
Okay.
Except 0. Is it clear or any doubt till here? Just tell me.
Clear, sir.
Clear now?
Clear.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
let's see here. Let me draw for the rest all. The first one is for trigonometric function. Okay.
Hmm.
And then the rest two columns are for domain and range. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So see here. Now for sec inverse. है ना? Sec
Hmm.
inverse. It will be set of real numbers except -1 and 1. Okay. -1 to 1. So the range will be 0 to pi. है ना? Except
Hmm.
pi by 2. Okay. Except
Okay.
pi by 2. And now for tan inverse. So for tan inverse, it will be the domain is R and the range will be from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. And
Okay.
similarly cot inverse. So for cot inverse, the domain will be R and the range will be 0 to pi. Okay na? Is it clear? Or any doubt? Just tell me.
No doubt, sir.
So I think you can easily understand this table, or you can easily learn or remember this table when your concept will
Hmm.
be clear for graphical representations, domain and range, principal values function, and all other things. Okay? Is it clear?
Okay.
So any doubt till here?
No doubt, sir.
No, then please note down it. Please note down it. Then we will see an example for fx equal to sin x. Okay.
Okay.
The function sin x. Okay. Please note down it.
Okay.
Done now?
Yeah.
Okay. Then please note down this one. And if there is any doubt, then please tell me. Yes. See here. So now we will take an example. Okay. To understand this one in a more brief way. So let's see here. We will
Hmm.
take the fx equal to sin x, है ना, the function fx is equal to sin x, right?
Yeah.
Where it will be, the domain will be minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, right? And the range
Yeah.
will be minus 1 to 1, है ना? Okay.
Yeah.
So let's see here कि hmm see here it will be x, okay, and here the function fx, which will be sin x, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Which will be sin x, okay now?
Mm.
Hmm. See, so when we will put the value of x, when we will put
Mm.
the value of x as pi by 2 minus pi by 2, then what we will
Okay.
get? We will get sine minus pi by 2, right? है ना?
Yeah.
And as we know that its value will be pi by 2 means 90 degree. It's 90 degree 1, right?
Mm.
है ना?
Yeah.
So when it will be minus 90 degree, it will be minus 1, right? So its value
Yeah.
will be minus 1, right? है ना? When
Mm.
we will put minus pi by 3, okay? Minus pi by 3. So pi by 3 means 60 degree, right? It will
Yeah.
be 60 degree. It's mean here I am
Mm.
putting sine minus pi by 3, okay?
Okay.
So its value will be, what is the value of sine 60 degree? What is the value of sine 60 degree?
Sine 60 degree.
हाँ.
Root root 2/3.
Root 3 by 2 or root 2 by 3?
Root 3 by
Root 3
root
by 2
3 by
है ना?
2.
That's why I told
Yeah.
you कि before attending the class you have to do the revision of trigonometric function, the
Yeah.
concept of trigonometric function of 10th and 11th class है ना?
Yeah.
So that
Yeah.
when we will discuss the inverse trigonometric function, you can easily
Yeah.
understand it है ना?
Yeah.
So if you have any doubts in the previous concepts, then first go and do the revision, okay? Is it clear
Okay.
now? Now let's see
Yes, sir.
here. It will be minus root 3 by 2, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Similarly, so minus root 3 by 2, its value will be minus 0.87. When you will solve it, its value will become minus 0.87, okay?
So we have to take it to fraction.
Fraction.
No, I mean, we have to take it to decimal
Yeah, I am taking
all
it
the
to
time.
decimal because here I will show with the show in the form of domain and range, है ना?
Okay.
I will
Okay.
show it in the form of domain and range.
Hmm.
That's why I
Hmm.
am converting the fractional value to the decimal value. Okay. So that when we
Okay.
will take the set x and set y, one will be the domain and the another will be range. Okay. And I can
Okay.
explain you in a simple way. So that's why I am taking the fractional value in decimal value. Okay. Wait.
Okay.
clear. So its value will be minus 0.87. Is it clear now? Okay.
Yeah.
Similarly, we will do for minus pi by 6. है ना? Minus pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degree. Okay. Now we will
1
do
by
for
2.
30 degree. है ना? So it will be sine minus pi
Yeah.
by 6. I am writing here the
Yeah.
directly for now. I am writing directly the result. Okay. Which we will get. So it will be
Minus 1 by 2.
1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. है ना? It will be
Yeah.
minus 1 by 2, or we can say that minus 0.5, right? Similarly,
Yeah.
we will go for 0, sine 0, that will be 0.
0 itself.
Then we will take pi by 6, है ना? तो sine pi by 6 will be 1 by 2, है ना? Which means
Yeah.
0.5. Then we will do pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degree, right? 60 degree, है ना?
Root 3 by
हाँ,
2.
so it will be root 3 by 2 means 0.87,
0.87.
right? 0.87, and then we will do for pi by 2. Okay, pi by
That's 1.
2, है ना? So it will be 1. Is it clear or any doubt till here? Just tell me.
Clear, sir. Clear.
Clear? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, as you can see, just wait a minute. Wait. Hmm. See. So when we will represent it, it will be like this: the set X and the set Y. Okay, we will take two sets, है ना?
Hmm.
The set X and set Y. Okay,
Okay.
in set X, that is domain. Okay, so it will be minus pi by 2, है ना? Then minus pi by 3, then minus pi by 6, 0, pi by 6. Okay, pi by
Okay.
3 and pi by 2. Okay, is it clear? And here
Yeah,
the
clear.
range will be minus 1, minus 0.87, 0. Okay, that is 0, not minus 0, just 0. Okay, so 0,
Okay.
0.5, 0.87 and 1, right? So
Yeah.
when we will establish the function, it will vary like this: minus pi by 2, its value will be minus 1, right? Minus pi by
Yeah.
3, its value will be minus 0.87, right? Here I have
Yeah.
skipped minus 0.5, है ना? So minus pi by 6, it will be minus 0.5. For 0, it will be 0, right? Pi by 6, it will be 0.5.
Yeah.
Pi by 3, it will be 0.87. Pi by 2, it will be 1. Okay, so as you can see
Okay.
here, ki each element of X has an image in Y, right? So
Yeah.
has it's a unique image in set Y, right? So it will be one
Yeah.
function, है ना? And as you can see, each element of set Y is a pre-image of element of set X, right? So we can say that na ki it is also a onto function, right? We can say it na.
Yeah.
So here
Yeah.
we can say that ki here f is 1 onto function, right? 1 and onto function. Okay, is it clear?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
therefore what we can say that ki therefore f inverse will exist, right? F
Yeah.
inverse will exist, है ना? So
Exist.
when f inverse will exist, so we can say that for sin x, the domain will be from sine minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, and the range will be minus 1 to 1, right?
Yeah.
And for sine inverse x, therefore for sine inverse x, the x domain is -1 to 1. Here the domain and range will interchange, right? And the range will
Yeah.
become minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So is it clear? Now did you
Yes,
understand
sir.
the concept of inverse trigonometric function?
Yeah, sir.
Trigonometric function, you have already learnt it in 10th 11th class, right?
Yeah.
है ना? So here on the basis of that concept we learned the inverse trigonometric function. Is it clear?
Yeah,
So
clear.
first please note down it and then we will do the next part. Is it clear
Okay.
or any doubt?
Clear. No doubts.
Okay, then please note down it. हाँ done ना? Yes Akshay, done.
Yeah. Can you scroll down?
Okay, sure. Please note down it. So is there any doubt till here?
No doubt.
Okay. Now there is a trick through which you can easily remember that ki whose domain will be negative and whose range will be negative and whose domain will be positive. Sorry, negative and range will be positive. Okay. So here you can categorize it in two groups. The first one is the first group. Okay. That is
Hmm.
ki in first group it is sine inverse, cosec inverse, okay, and tan inverse, okay.
Okay.
For these three, domain will be negative, okay. Domain will be negative and range will be also negative, okay. Is it clear?
Hmm. Yeah,
And
clear.
the second group is of cos inverse, okay, sec inverse and cot inverse, okay. In it domain will be negative and the
Hmm.
range will be positive, okay. The range will be
Yeah.
in positive, okay. So this is the trick by which you can easily remember that ki whose domain will be negative and what will be their domain, okay. So
Okay.
in both case you can see the domain will be negative but
Hmm.
in one of them the range is negative and in another one the range is positive, okay. So you can easily
Okay.
remember its sign and its reciprocal, that is cosec, है ना?
Cosec.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you can keep in mind कि it will go they will go with tan, है ना?
Yeah.
And in the
Yeah.
second group cos, its reciprocal sec and cot, okay.
Yeah.
Is it clear? So any doubt?
Hmm. No doubt.
No, na? Please note down it.
Yeah.
Please note down it. Then we will do a question, okay. And after that you have to solve the first exercise. Please note down it and then we will do a
Okay.
question. Acha, see, before going to the question there are some points which you have to keep in mind, okay. The
Hmm.
first one is they are just for understanding, okay. Ki sine inverse x, okay.
Hmm.
And the another one is sin x inverse. Tell me, these two things are same or not? Sin inverse x
Uh,
and sin x inverse.
so they're different.
Yes, very good Akshat, है ना? Yeah. So
Yeah.
here sin
Because
inverse x
x
should
is
not.
also
Huh.
to the power of minus
Yes,
1, right?
it's mean sin inverse x inverse, है ना? Sin x
Yeah.
inverse. It's mean कि it is written as 1 by sin x, okay? Which will be equal
Okay.
to cos x, right? But
Okay.
here sin inverse x is a inverse trigonometric function, okay?
Yeah.
So these two are different things, okay. And
Okay.
similarly you can do for other trigonometric functions, okay. The second point
Okay.
is कि whenever no branch of an inverse trigonometric function is mentioned, we mean the principal valued branch of that function. Okay, is it
Okay.
clear? And the
Yeah,
third
clear.
point is कि the value of an inverse trigonometric function which lie in the range of the principal branch. Okay, the value of
Yeah.
the inverse trigonometric function which lie on the principal branch, that will be known as the principal value of that inverse trigonometric function. Okay,
Okay.
so in the first exercise you can see कि here we have to find the principal values. It's mean we have to find the value of that inverse trigonometric function which will lie in the range of the principal value. Okay, so
Okay.
that value will be known as the principal value. Is it clear now?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, is there any doubt?
Hmm. No doubts.
No? Okay. So before going to the question or our starting the exercise, we will do here a question. Okay.
Okay.
See here. Uh, the question is y is equal to cot cos
Yes.
inverse 7 by 25. Can you solve it?
7 by. Wait, can you
Hmm.
tell the question?
Y is equal to cot cos inverse 7 by 25. I have written here. You can see it.
Okay.
Huh. Just try it by yourself, है ना?
Hmm.
Then I will guide you कि how you have to solve this type of question step by step. Okay?
Okay.
Hmm. First try by yourself. See Akshat, how we will solve it, है ना?
Hmm.
So at first, so as here we have to find the value of y. Okay?
Okay.
As here we will let theta is equal to cos inverse 7 by 25, right? We can
Yeah.
let it now. So
Hmm.
it will become cos theta is equal to 7 by 25, right? है ना? And
Yeah.
as we know that कि cos theta is equal to b by h, है ना? So here it
Hmm.
will be b by h, right? Okay?
Okay.
It will be b by h, है ना? Okay?
Hmm.
Is it clear? Any doubt?
No doubt.
Tell me.
No doubt.
No, na? Yes.
Yeah.
So after this, we can say that कि so b is equal to 7, right?
Yeah.
H is equal to 25, right?
Yeah.
And p is equal to question mark, है ना? So we can find it by
Yeah.
Pythagoras theorem now. Now,
Yeah.
since what is the Pythagoras theorem? Tell me. That is p
P
square
square
plus,
plus B square
very good, is equal
equal
to
to H square.
h square, right? We can do it now.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to do it with the margin, है ना? That will be
Okay.
that is given in your copy. Okay, so here it will be
Okay.
what it will be p square plus b is the 7 square is equal to h is the 25 square, right?
25 square.
है
Yeah.
ना?
So
So
P
now it
square
will be
is equal
हाँ p square is equal to, I am writing here directly,
625
25 means
minus
25 square, what we can
620.
say 25 square minus 7 square, है ना? Okay,
Yeah.
and when you will solve it, it will become 576. Okay,
Hmm.
576. So here p will be root under 576, right?
Yeah.
And the value, its value will be,
24 square.
yeah, very good, है ना? It is the
Yeah.
square of 24. So here it
Yeah.
will be p is equal to 24. Is it clear or any doubt?
Yeah. No doubt.
Tell me. No, na?
No doubt.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now here what we can say कि now the cot will be, okay, as here in the question it is given cot na, cot in
Hmm.
bracket, है ना? So this will be make it as theta. Okay, so here we can say that कि cot theta, as we know that cot theta is b by p, right? b by
Yeah.
p है ना? So it will be 7 by 24, right? 7 by
Yeah.
24. So theta is equal to cot inverse 7 by 24,
Yeah.
right? है ना? Then
Yeah.
as here what we can say कि cos inverse is 7 by 25, which will be
Yeah.
equal to cot inverse 7 by 24. Okay, is it clear or any doubt? तो
No doubt.
from that given one, the given one है ना, you can consider it equation 1. Okay,
Hmm.
equation 1 we can say that, what we can say that कि from equation 1, from equation 1, as it is given y is equal to cot cos inverse 7 by 24 25, it is given na, right?
Yeah.
So here
So
what we can
converted
write,
to cot
y is equal
inverse
to very good, cot, and in this place cot inverse 7 by 25, this is equal to cot inverse 7 by 24, right? So
Yeah.
here we will write cot inverse 7 by 24. Okay,
Yeah.
huh, it will be 7 by 24. Okay, so
24.
cot
Yeah.
will be cancelled, and therefore y is equal to 7 by
7 by
24.
24. Got it,
Is it
sir.
clear or any doubt till here?
Yeah.
Tell me.
No doubt, sir. No
No,
doubt.
na? So this
Yeah.
will be our answer. Is it clear?
Okay. Yeah,
Tell
clear.
me. Now this type of question you can solve it now.
Yeah, sir.
Okay,
Easily.
is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Hmm. Now first of all you have to note down this one. Okay,
Okay.
ठीक है. Now let's
Okay.
come to the exercise question कि how we will solve the exercise questions, है ना? So as here
Okay.
in the exercise, that is exercise 2.1, right? है ना?
Yeah.
Question
Hmm.
number 1. So in that one it is given that कि find the principal value, right?
Yeah.
Principal value, है ना? Wait,
Hmm.
wait. We have to find principal value. Okay, so let the first question, that is sine inverse 1 by 2. Okay, sine inverse
Hmm.
minus 1 by 2 it is given na, sine
Yeah.
inverse minus 1 by 2. Let's see here how we will do it. Okay, suppose this is the
Okay.
margin of your copy. Okay,
Hmm.
so here first
Okay.
of all we will let y is equal to sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Okay, is it clear?
Okay.
So what it
Yeah.
will become, it will become sine y is equal to 1 by 2, right? है ना?
Hmm. Yeah.
Since as we know that कि sines pi by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, pi by 6 is equal to 1 by
Yeah.
2, right? So in the place
Yeah.
of 1 by 2 we can write na sine pi by 6. So it will be
Yeah.
sine y is equal to minus, in the place of 1 by 2 we can write sine pi by
Yeah.
6, right?
Yeah.
So here
So y is equal to minus 5 by 6, right?
हाँ, yeah, very good है ना, but we have to show
Hmm.
it na, right? So it will
Yeah.
be uh, what we can write is sine
Y.
y is equal to, it will be sine minus pi by 6. Okay, like this.
Okay.
Okay, so here we will write
Okay.
y is equal to minus
5 by
pi by
6.
6. Okay, so
Okay.
therefore what we can say that कि sine inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus pi by 6. Okay, so here we
Okay.
have find its principal value, है ना? Okay,
Okay.
here we have
Hmm.
find its principal value. for minus pi by 6 it will be minus 1 by 2. Okay, is it clear?
Okay.
Okay now,
Okay,
or
yeah.
any doubt? So you can
No
solve
doubts.
now all question of this exercise.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, sir. Easily.
It's too easy na. Here you
Yeah.
have to just put the value, okay,
At least
and
put the
nothing
value.
else,
Yes, sir.
okay. Similarly, you can see the second question, cos inverse root 3 by 2, right?
Hmm.
So it will
Yeah.
be, we will take it first, y is equal to cos inverse root 3 by 2, है ना, in the
Yeah.
same way as you can see in the screen.
Yeah.
When cos will come in the left side, it will become cos y is equal to root 3 by 2.
Yeah.
Now we will see ki, on which value of for cos
Sir, it will
it
be
will be
pi
root 3 by
by.
2.
Yeah.
So it is pi by 6, right?
Yeah.
For
Yeah.
cos also it is pi by 6. So in the place
Yeah.
of root 3 by 2 we will write cos pi by 6, है ना? So
Yeah.
it will become ki cos y is equal to cos pi by 6. Now cos will
Yeah.
be cancelled. So it will be y
Hmm.
is equal to pi by 6, and here we get the answer. So in the final we will write it कि cos inverse root 3 by 2 is equal to pi by 6. Its principal value will be pi by 6. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Simply
Clear.
you can do all questions. Okay.
Yeah.
At least try.
Sir, it's easy, so I can do it.
Yeah, you can do the full exercise. Okay.
Yeah.
From question number 11, you have to do it one by one. है ना? As in
Okay.
11 question, tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Okay. So first you
Okay.
have to find the value for tan inverse 1. Then you have to find the value for cos inverse minus 1 by 2. Then you have to find the value for sine inverse minus 1 by 2, and value of all these three you have to put in the given question and you have to solve it. Definitely you will get the answer. Okay,
Okay.
is
Yeah.
it clear? Any doubt? So
No doubt, sir.
I hope you can definitely solve this whole exercise. Okay, and you have to
Hmm.
submit it as soon as possible. Okay.
Sir, can I, like, sir, I'm currently in exam
Huh.
preparation, so can I send it on the,
Uh-huh.
can I send it some other day?
Sure, no problem. But this relaxation is for only exam time, okay?
Yeah,
Not for
okay.
normal days or other days,
Yeah,
okay?
yeah, yeah. Sir,
हाँ,
let's like submit it on Saturday. Saturday or
अच्छा.
Friday.
But please try little earlier, है ना?
Okay.
Okay?
I'll try
Because
earlier.
in the next class we will continue the other portions also, है ना? We will
Yeah.
discuss your doubts, okay? So as
So,
soon
sir,
as
like,
possible, huh?
so you'll take the test on the, like,
No,
Thursday
no,
or what?
I'm not taking about that test session. I am
Hmm.
talking about the normal class session. Okay,
Yeah.
normal
Okay.
session. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
so as soon as possible you will submit. Then we
Hmm.
will discuss your doubts only. Okay, and then
Okay.
only we can move towards the next exercise or the topic. Is it
Okay,
clear?
sir.
So
Yeah,
any doubt
clear.
till here? Okay.
No
So
doubts.
first
Yeah.
note down this question, this one, okay, and then you
Hmm.
have to note down this question. Okay na?
Okay. Yeah.
Huh. And for today, that's all. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir.